Okay, so someone might ask, so what's the printer to do with your printers? So what kind of products it can be printed? Okay, let me introduce it. This is the third generation of the printer. This is the OAT 210 Pro. Okay, it is with 4 arms. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 arms all together. And you could call it arms, like the arm. And also we call it like rollers. Okay, so at this printing position, during printing, then the rollers, it rotates themselves. And the cartridge take the print head, just moving from one side to the other, and then the printing is done. So that's very simple. So what you need to have is to get this kind of the blank sock. So what you need is just to get this blank sock, and after printing, you load up to this roller, and with the design, with any picture you like, you could get this one, the printed socks. So with the face, you like your families, your good friends. Okay, and also sometimes you might choose your pet, little kitty. So with all these kind of the kitty or the puppy, the picture, you just get the design and make the picture by the Photoshop and make the proper measurement of this artwork, and you will get this piece of sock. So what you need is just a blank socks, and like here, you load up this sock. It's very tight. So you see what I have now, it's very small one for the kids, right? Yes. So that's why we have the multiple choice for these 4 rollers. Actually, this roller's diameter could be optional choice. So we have 3 different sizes of the diameter of the roller. So based on different, this is a kind of the adult sock. So with this normal adult sock, you could get just normal roller diameter like 82 millimeters. Yeah, and once you have for the kids, and you could choose like the 73 millimeter or even the newborn baby, and you could just choose the diameter of the roller with even smaller one, like 60 millimeter. Okay, so here what I got is a small roller, so it needs to be loaded up with the kid socks. So preparation is to get the gloves and you see, load up this sock to the roller, and here I load up the blank sock already. So what you need is just a simple blank sock, and load up here with this device. You see, with this device, this is the laser holder. The laser holder with the track here, and these sliders could move. It's movable. So with here the device, the laser device, with 3 of them, you could just positioning the proper position for the artwork you would like to print. You see, here it's a cross mark. So if your design of the logo needs to be at this part, yeah, and then you measure the proper measurements and get this laser with the proper position. Ensure this sock will be loaded up with the proper position, and then with the software control. Once you choose any file and click, just an easy click, then it will start printing. That's it. Simple, right? Simple and easy. So that is how the printer works. With the only blank sock, then you could just get the printed socks with any designs you like. So with the friend's face, with the flowers, with any like the holidays, the Halloween, the Christmas, like here, the Christmas designs, you just can print. Okay.